Hi there, this picture show is going to show you how to renew the deck on a 16-foot Seahog. You'll know when your deck's gone, when you feel like it's a trampoline underfoot. As I didn't believe it was gone, I cut a large hole in the fiberglass, pushed my hand in only to find wet black mush. So out came the oscillating saw to accurately cut out the deck. When they made these boats, to keep the cost down, I guess they actually cut back on the deck. As the plywood had never been bonded, the mat had only been laid straight onto plywood. Once the plywood started to come off, the damage to the keel was clear. The keel support, which had been fiberglass coated, was seriously eaten away by the seawater. The keel took about 2 weeks to dry out with a bit of help. The rock was cut away and replaced with hardwood to make up the size, with waterproof glue, stainless steel, heavy gauge screws. Once all the wood and fibre had been cut away to the side of the hull, it was time to cut shape and glass the deck. The small holes in the ply are for pouring foam in, and the larger one for an inspection cover. Having a crane helps when dropping the new decking. Around the edges of the deck, I caulked in bone dry hardwood shavings mixed with resin, as there was bound to have little gaps between the deck and the hull. The foam was added, cleared off, then plugged. Glassed over twice, then masked off for gel coat. Later on, I decided to take some seating out and make the deck area bigger for fishing, and put a door in the front cabin, made getting the anchor in